does it mean when my Mercedes says auxiliary battery malfunction? Like the main battery, the auxiliary battery is charged when the engine is running. And just like that battery, it lasts around 4 to 6 years. When it can't hold a charge, the computer pops up that malfunction. The auxiliary battery is a backup for the main battery. It does a number of jobs depending on what model of car it's installed in. These range from powering electrical accessories like the radio/infotainment to operating the engine's stop-start system. Symptoms of a bad or failing auxiliary battery: the vehicle won't crank. Noticeable leaks around the battery. The battery light is on. What happens if auxiliary battery dies? The vehicle won't crank. Having a battery that is dead will result in you not being able to crank the car when needed. Usually, the car will run once it has been jumped off, but will quickly die back out after it is turned off. The rear boot lid must be opened to change the auxiliary battery. If the display battery message does not reset after changing the battery, you must reset the computer scan code. Start the vehicle engine to check if the warning battery message is still there.